Good morning to all. As in my previous lecture, I have discussed what is transportation problem and what are the various steps involved in the transportation problem to find out the optimal solution. Today I am going to discuss with you how to find the initial feasible solution under the northwest corner method. Under this method, we have to make distribution or allocation from the cell which is on the northwest corner of the matrix. Before making allocation, we have to take into consideration the demand and supply constraint. We are not to allocate more than the demand and we cannot allocate more than the supply. Secondly, we are not to shift to the second source until and unless the first source is fully exhausted. Similarly, we are not to shift to second destination until and unless the first demand of the first destination is fully satisfied. And most important, it is one of the oldest crude method of finding the initial feasible solution under the transportation problem. As we seen, it is not taken into consideration the cost element, which is our objective. As we have to make the distribution policies, but we have to minimize the related cost is to be minimized. But this method fails to achieve this objective. This lead to birth of the second method to find the initial feasible solution, that is the least cost entry method. I will discuss in the next lecture how to calculate the initial cost under the least cost entry method. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.